Have you ever wondered how chefs extract rich, flavorful fats from meat to enhance dishes like French fries or deep-fried treats? Fat rendering is the process of melting fat down to remove moisture and clarify it, making the fat shelf-stable for cooking. Let's explore this technique in detail. To render chicken or beef fat, you need to cut it into chunks and slowly melt it on. A stovetop at the lowest heat setting, around WS2. Stir every half an hour to avoid burning. Rendering lines for industrial purposes can be batch or continuous systems, tailored based on production scale and energy efficiency needs. The process uses primarily fatty tissue and trimmed fat as raw materials. Once rendered, the liquid fat can be strained into a glass container for storage or used directly. Tiny meat particles will sink to the bottom if not strained, but this is fine for refrigerated use. The melting point of fat begins around 130 degrees F, 54 degrees F, 54 degrees F, and slow cooking allows it to baste the meat from within, adding flavor and moisture. This technique is essential for many culinary applications. In summary, rendering fat involves melting fats at low heat to clarify them, enhancing their shelf life and flavor potential in various dishes. This technique is a cornerstone of many culinary practices. Now you know the ins and outs of fat rendering. How do you think this process could improve your cooking? Share in the comments.